In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AVERAGEIF formula in Google Sheets. This handy tool is incredibly useful for calculating the average of a set of numbers based on specified criteria, helping you analyze data more efficiently. All right, let's start by opening up a Google Sheet. If you haven't created one yet, you can easily do so by heading to Google Sheets in your browser and starting a new blank sheet. Once you're there, you'll see a grid that looks like a spreadsheet with lettered columns and numbered rows. For the purpose of this demonstration, make sure you have a dataset ready in your sheet that you'd like to analyze. Next, we're going to focus on cell H2. So go ahead and click on that cell. This is where we will input our AVERAGEIF formula. Doing so will display the results of our calculation. Now we get to the heart of the task, entering the formula. In cell H2, type in the formula exactly like this, equals AVERAGEIF, open parenthesis, E2 colon E11, comma, double quotes, equals January, double quotes, again, comma, F2 colon F11, and close it all with a parenthesis. To break down what this function is doing, the AVERAGEIF formula is first looking within the range E2 to E11 for any cells that match the criteria January. Once it finds those, it looks to the corresponding cells in the range F2 to F11 to calculate the average of those numbers. Essentially, it averages the values in column F, but only for those rows where column E equals January. Finally, just hit the Enter key. Upon doing this, Google Sheets will process the formula and return your desired result within H2. You should see the calculated average immediately, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully used the AVERAGEIF formula to compute specific averages based on a condition in Google Sheets. This formula is great when working with large amounts of data where you need to quickly derive insights for certain conditions or criteria. Keep in mind that while I've used specific ranges and criteria in this example, you'll need to adjust these based on your own dataset. Ensure your ranges cover the relevant data and update your criteria to match what you're analyzing. The AVERAGEIF function is broadly applicable beyond just months or text-based criteria. It can adapt to whatever conditional logic you need within your dataset. With practice, you'll find this tool indispensable in your data analysis toolkit. Thanks for joining me today, and happy spreadsheeting.